Hello friends, how are you doing? Today I'm going to show you plus size t-shirts. Wow, plus size t-shirts in sizes 3XL, 4XL and 5XL. 10 t-shirts available in self colors and stripes in sizes 46, 48 and 50. We also have the usual sizes also. Coming to these plain color t-shirts, there are close to 10 to 15 colors in plain colors. This fabric is a cotton fabric. It's a cotton matte material, the original t-shirt material. Come, let's see the fitting of the t-shirt. I'm going to show you the 50 size t-shirt measurements of chest size. Let's see it. Wow, the t-shirt what I'm showing you, the 50 size t-shirt. Let's see the measurements. Yes. See, this t-shirt comes with collar. All the t-shirt comes with collar and a pocket to keep all your valuable items. It has a rib. It has the branding, the name of the brand here on the sleeves. It gives a nice premium look to it. Wow. Let's see the size of this. Let's see the chest size of this t-shirt so that at home you can compare the size and buy it. Let's check it out. See, we are starting from this end all the way up to here. It comes 27, 54, and this is a stretch material. We see the material, it's stretch. And generally t-shirts you wear little fitting, not very loose like shirts. So it stretches up to 1 inch. See, 1 inch it stretches. So it comes 54. People having hip size of 50, 52, they can easily fit in. Because here at the stomach portion you're having 54 size. So hip size up to 50, 52, they can surely wear this t-shirt in 54 also. Let me show you at the stomach portion once again. See, start from here all the way up to here. It comes 27. Nice, very good, very good. These are the colors available. We keep getting new stocks every week, so colors keep changing. So let me show you some stripes t-shirt. Moving on to stripes, let me show you some lovely stripes. As I already told you that we keep getting new stocks every week. So let me show you the measurement of a stripes t-shirt. We have stripes in 3, 4 and 5. So I'm going to show you size 5XL in stripes. Please show us this. See, I'll show you once again so that you believe me. I'm going to show you 5XL measurements. Let's see this. This t-shirt is going to be slightly bigger than the plain one. See, this t-shirt, we're starting from here. See, this one without stretching the fabric. Without we stretch the fabric, it comes 28. You see here at 28. And this is very nice stretch fabric. This fabric stretches a lot. So people having hip size in 56, they will find this t-shirt very comfortable. This is a nice matte cotton material. T-shirts comes in size 3, 4 and 5XL. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like the video. Now moving on to shorts, tracks and 3/4. Let's see them also. Before moving on to 3/4 and shorts, we also have round neck t-shirt in 50 size. Let me show you the measurement of this. This comes in lovely colors in a pouch pack. Wow. 3-piece pouch pack costs only rupees 825. Only rupees 825. Let us see this. Let's see the measurement of this round neck t-shirt in size 50. See, we're starting from this end and it goes all the way up to here. This comes 25 and this is a nice highly stretchable material. Can you please stretch it and show us? Yes, see, it stretches well. So up to 50 size, 48 size, 52 hip size also, it's suitable for them. This comes in 46, 48, 50 size. These are the various colors available. And the price of this pack of 3 for 825 only. Regular sizes also available. me show you the price of this plain color t-shirts. These cost a flat offer price at only rupees 395. Any color you choose at 395. Coming to the stripes t-shirt, these come at various price ranges. 415, you have 625, 575, 550. So in this there are a mix of various prices. We also have for 415 also. So starting from 415 in stripes up to 625. Let's see the shorts, tracks and 3/4. Wow! I'm so happy to show you the exciting collection of plus size Capris. You'll never get this anywhere else. It's available only at Shahenshah. You can also order online. Capris come in size 3, 4 and 5XL. Let me show you the measurements of this Capri. Let's take the 3XL and the 5XL. So let's start with the 5XL measurements. Please show us this. Let me show you. We are showing you the measurement of size 5XL Capri. 3/4. You can also call this plus size men's 3/4. See, here we have started from this end and it goes all the way up to 24. So this goes up to 48 in 50 size. This 50 size men can also wear this. It's very comfortable. We already have customers using this brand 3/4 and they are very happy with this quality. They say that this lasts them for at least 2 years. How much of a rough use they do, they are still using it for at least 3 years. Let me show you the measurement of the thigh portion also. You can see here thigh, and this is highly stretchable, very elastic, banyan quality, very good quality, highly elastic material. You can see the measurement here, 15. Yes. Once again let me show you the 5XL. See 5XL, it comes 25. We have stretched it up to 25, 25 and a half. Very highly elastic, very comfortable. So this we have in 2 qualities. We have one NCI brand which costs us rupees 425. We also have another brand which costs rupees 265. Yes, there are 2 brands available. So the colors available in this are the common men's 3/4 colors. You have black, navy blue, you have green, brown, ash color. So these are the common colors which you'll always get in shorts, tracks and 3/4. Let me show you the measurement of this. The one which costs 265, even this also comes pretty big. Let me show you the measurement of this. Wow! See, the one what I am showing you is 265, the price, and this is also equally big. People having hip size of 48, 46, they can easily wear this. The price is very reasonable and the fit and the quality is also good. Reasonable price and very big size. Say similar to the previous, this comes 15. So 2 qualities of 3/4. This is 265 and the one we saw before was 425. In the NCI brand 3/4, you have a zip at the pocket, you see. So it makes while traveling anywhere, it's very easy. You can always keep your mobile, wallet. You won't have the fear that it's going to fall from your pocket. One side is without zip and one side comes with the zip. And patterns keep changing and the colors also keep changing. So this is very useful. Generally with the zip, it's always very useful when it's with the zip. It's very helpful. Let's see the track. Moving on to track pants. We are going to see some track pants in sizes 3, 4 and 5XL. So we have track pants in this NCI brand and also CNC brand. See, there are two. We have CNC and NCI. First, let me show you NCI brand track pant. Please watch closely because this is very important for you to see what's the difference between these two brands. Quality wise, both are very good. Both are extremely good, but there are changes in the fitting of the track pant. So please listen carefully. I'm going to show you the 5XL. See, this is 5XL track pant. Size 5XL. Please see this. And now let me measure the hip and show you. This also will go up to size 52, 54. You can see this. It goes all the way up to 54. Very good. And let me also side by side show you the CNC brand also. CNC, we are going to see size 5XL. See, so this is NCI and this is CNC, the blue one. So let me show you the measurement of this also. Side by side we can see what's the difference. See, this comes up to hip size. Wow, awesome. Wow, I can't believe. It comes hip size to 60. You see, this is 60 size. People hip size of 55, 56, 58. They should buy this, the blue one, which is the CNC brand. CNC brand, 50 size. This is size 50. Size 50. You can see a size 50. It's called 5XL 50 size. Yes. So CNC brand goes up to 58, 60. And also there's a difference. CNC brand cut is more of a comfort fit. See, at the thigh portion, this is more of a comfort fit. If you have your legs are a little more broader or you want a little more loose fit, this is a very good fit. When comparing this to the NCI, let's see the NCI. See, this is NCI 5XL. Let me show you the fit of this. You see this? This is slightly less. It has a more narrow cut compared to the CNC. So you want a little narrow, this is good. See, at the bottom also you find please measure the bottom of this. See, the bottom here comes 8, whereas this bottom comes 10. See, this bottom comes 10. This is like a baggy fit. CNC brand is baggy fit. This is like gives a more good shape to your legs. So some people like a baggy fit, some people like a narrow fit. So whichever you like, we can always courier it to your hometown. Please do call us or message us. We are courier to every small town throughout India. Coming to the price of this is very reasonable, only rupees 475. NCI brand is 475 and the CNC brand is 550. Available in sizes 3, 4 and 5XL. Very nice. We also have a budget brand in this. It's only rupees. We have only 325 rupees track pant. They're too big size. Let me show you that also. The one what you are seeing now. This is 325. Though it's written 3XL, but I'll show you the measurement, how big it's coming. You'll be surprised. At this price, you're getting such a good quality. See, it comes same thing. Up to 56 size. You see, from here up to size 56. See, it's so big. This fitting also is like a nice baggy fit. If you like a baggy fit pant, this is nice loose fit. Just like a CNC we saw, this is also baggy fit. Nice. Very good quality. Only rupees 325. The colors are common colors. You get grey, blue, ash, brown, green. While you are traveling, you are going for a vacation, going on a flight or train or a bus. So you can wear this track pant, which is very comfortable. And plus, the most important is you have a zip here. You see, both the sides we have zip. Both the sides you have a zip, so nothing is going to fall off. In NCI also we have a zip. Also in other brand CNC. In CNC also, both the sides we have a zip. So you have a peace of mind. Wow, exciting variety. I'm so happy to find all this in plus sizes only at Shahenshah. So what you are waiting for? Order soon. Yes, come on, order soon. Wow, amazing collections at Shahenshah. If you are living in Chennai, please do visit our shop. It's at PURUSAIWAKAM. So in plus size, we also have men's shorts. These are budget shorts. Very good for traveling, beach wear, you are going for outing, for morning walks. These are called budget shorts. Very good quality and the price is very low. The price of this is only rupees 215. Can you believe? 215 only. Let me show you the price of this. The size of this is huge, humongous size. See, it comes up to 50. If your hip size is up to 50, 52, you can wear this. See, we start from here all the way up to here. Yes, 50 for hip size also, and it's a nice cotton material. Very good fabric. People have used this fabric and they have told us very good positive reviews on this. They are very happy and they buy this regularly from us.